If you feel like a pebble in the ocean, try summer school at Ball State University, offering a virtual sea of possibilities. It's a smart choice for those who want to get ahead of the class. In summer sessions at Ball State, you'll find small class sizes, flexible schedules, and you'll be taught by the same faculty as during the academic year. You can set sail for a new career, further your current one, or simply expand your knowledge. How about finishing that degree you started, or maybe even take a class just for fun? Many courses are offered in the morning, leaving afternoons for work, study, or sitting at your favorite fishing hole. And the credits are transferable, so you can stay at your home port this summer and take the credits with you in the fall. There is a virtual sea of possibilities at Ball State University summer sessions. For more information, call 1-800-435-4BSU. Enrollment begins soon, so don't hesitate. Call 1-800-435-4278. Ask for your summer session information packet and take advantage of a virtual sea of possibilities.